Okay, you guys know that I talk to ghosts, and I'm getting like a really wicked, weird sixth sense right now. That was a turkey. It's like there's some energy to the left of me. It's like a buzzing. It's on this side. Like something's like on my knee, but on my chest. Now I'm trying to set a boundary so my brain has been going a million miles an hour. I'm sorry, but it just feels like there's a million, like there's just all this weight on the left side of my body. I'm getting distracted by all the bird calls. Here. That was just